Seema Taparia from Mumbai. Meet Seema Taparia. For over 25 years, she's been the woman that India's most powerful families call when they need the perfect match. 3 seasons on Netflix, thousands of families matched. She's Seema from Mumbai and she's here at Honest Town Hall to chat with students.
As a fan of Seema auntie, so you want to see an equal gender matchmaking like LGBTQ people. So if that's possible for you.
Right now, we're not interested in marriage, slightly inclined into live-in relationships and think it's kind of affecting your business.
I don't believe in that.
You're saying adjustment is must.
तू मत कर तो देख ले क्या होता है. People can write anything. ये मैच मेकिंग करती है ऐसा कभी होता है क्या? Because the Gen Z didn't like it. The youths they want to listen what they are thinking. That's all. They don't want to listen to elders. थोड़ा adjustment करना पड़ता है ना. आप इतना मेहनत करने के बाद कभी-कभी when the marriage breaks. In my 25 years of career only.
फेम के साथ नेगेटिविटी भी आता है. ऐसा कुछ है क्या कि you want to talk about that?
Negative and positive both are publicity. कितने मीम्स बने मेरे ऊपर. First time 150 memes on any show.
आपको बहुत सारे क्लाइंट्स आते हैं ना, वन डिमांड जो सुन के आपका दिमाग खराब हो.
पूरा ही होता है मेरे तो always because they come with such a big list. What is the right time according to today's day and age? मैं तो बोल दूंगी 24-25 में करो but nobody is going to listen.
तो आपका सैलरी क्या है?
ये कोई बताएगा क्या?
क्या लगता है मैं सेम एज गाइस को पसंद करूंगी यार मुझसे मतलब थोड़ा बड़ा लोग हूँ.
मैं भगवान तो नहीं हूँ ना. Seema auntie, welcome to Honest Town Hall. My name is Megha. I'm just a moderator here. All the questions will be asked by the students and वो लोग बहुत excited है आपसे questions पूछने के लिए. So are you guys ready? Yes. ऐसा वैसा मत पूछ लेना. Auntie, are you ready? Yeah, I'm ready. Super. I'm excited. I've come from Tirupati Balaji, got the blessings from him to all of you, and I'm very excited to talk and discuss with you all. Let the town hall begin. First question.
So, hello, ma'am. So, my question is you were born and brought up in Karnataka, right? And then you moved to Mumbai after marriage. So, what major cultural differences did you face?
Great question and very informative also. I'm born and brought up in Gulbarga. It's 3 hours from Hyderabad. It's in Karnataka, North Karnataka. Born in a very affluent family with a silver spoon. Upbringing was very strict at that time and my father used to never like going out at night wearing sleeveless or it was all with a commanding thing that nahi aisa hoga that way, but we were left very free to talk, to discuss. My father was a figure in Gulbarga and what the children sees in childhood that they fit in their mind. Arey mere pitaji, my father was this type, I want to be this type, that I should be loved by the world, and that way it was that thing. Then I got married when I was only 19 and a half. Wow. So my bua stays here in Hyderabad. So she was a cupid. She went to, when she went to Mumbai, she said, Arey, bahut acha, one boy is there from Taparia Group of Industries. They are also very influential, my in-laws and all. They said, it's matching everything. Then they came to Gulbarga and we met only for 30 minutes. That's all. Then in 19 and a half, I got married and little cultural difference I had. Because here I was staying in 20,000 square feet of bungalow, the old palatial ancestral house. My room was such a big. In Mumbai, 5 flats are there in this much area. It's that way. So that was a difference. Like I went in a small room of 200 square feet with 15 people in a small 2,000 square feet flat. So that was a very difficult thing for me to adjust. And then a few more things were there that I couldn't adjust and all. But time is a big healer. After some time, I got it adjusted and all. But my husband's nature, he was so helpful and all. That made me think life very easy. That was the beauty. Very nice, auntie. मतलब सुन के अच्छा लग रहा है. लेकिन honestly आप बताइए, there must be couple of things बचपन में, जैसे आपके पापा बताए थे कि स्लीवलेस नहीं पहनना ये सब. स्ट्रिक्ट था. हाँ, तो 2-3 चीज ऐसे होंगे ना जिससे आपको लेके बहुत इरिटेशन आती थी कि क्या यार इतना भी नहीं कर सकते क्या, ऐसे कौन से चीज थे वो? Since childhood, I was ambitious. I wanted to do something in life. कुछ करना है मुझे ताकि वर्ल्ड में people should know, हाँ, she is Seema Taparia. वैसा I had a dream since childhood. But father was so strict. I had 3 younger sisters also. So I cannot demand. But my father was strict. We had a values. We had a name. So we cannot go out of this. कि चलो रात को घूमने चले गए, इधर गए उधर गए. But we had a 7-star life in our house. So always I used to say, "Arey, I want to do something in life, but ऐसा with this strictness I cannot do anything in life." That was my dream was there. So I would talk about my manifestation and one dream. When I was in 4th standard, that is 1974 year, Indira Gandhi was the Prime Minister of India. She came to Gulbarga. And we are, just to have a glimpse of her, we stood on the dhoop mein, we are sitting with the bright scorching heat, and we are standing there, and she just waves and go, and we all are happy. Oh, we have seen a Prime Minister, and we are waving and all. Then after that, when she waved and she went, everybody was so happy. Arey, we saw Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, and they were so happy. Then I thought, arey, so much of recognition, love, respect she's getting. One day even I should get that thing. And I sowed the seed in my mind at that time on that I should get, the world should love me and recognize me. But seed dal diya, but nothing went to the, after shadi, family was so much conservative, cannot do anything. With the sari, with the pallu on the set, you know, Marwadi, she's a Marwadi here. With the pallu and all. And you cannot remove the pallu, you cannot go out of the house, you cannot do any work. If I say I want to do something, Arey, how can you do it? I had a dream, I have to come on big billboards, posters and all. The whole world should know. Pure universe mein hona chahiye, Arey, we know Seema Taparia. And it has happened now. In wherever you go outside of India, you say, I know Seema auntie.
Very true, auntie. And the world knows your name, Seema Taparia.
They'll catch and they'll tell, Arey, click a picture with us, because you know Seema Taparia. A fun picture should be with us that way. That was my dream. And at the age of 57, I got the world love and respect from the world. And fame was the byproduct. I didn't work for fame, I worked for love and respect. So I got love and respect from the world, and fame was the byproduct. And the thing got manifested.
Hello. My friends ask me to set them up all the time, especially in college. Have you ever had to do that for your friends or later on in life as well?
First, what you told my friends?
Ask me to set them up all the time.
She's the college cupid.
Yes.
Yeah.
So she keeps
Achha,
setting.
you want to, you're doing that work?
Yeah.
Why, but
In
so,
college,
why in such younger age you're doing it?
all of my guy friends want girlfriends, so they're asking me to set them up. I can't say no. I mean, I do say no.
Because
most
you
of
have
it.
that knack, you have that quality, so they're selling you, na?
Have you ever had to do the same for
No,
your
I
friends?
didn't do it that. At that time, it was not so freedom. But you're doing it good because you have that knack, I think. And people believe on you. They have a, you have a
I'm
goodwill
glad they
also.
can trust me.
Ye karegi match. She will match here and there and she will set up. So they believe on you, so that you're doing it. Good job.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
When was the first time you got paid for matchmaking, and how
When
much?
you got? First time.
Yes,
paid,
ma'am.
Paid.
Paid for matchmaking.
In 2005, first I said, no, I had a dream that I have to reach the, I was very, very ambitious. So I didn't have any outlet, kya karna, kya nahi. House, in my house, all my in-laws and all, they were so conservative. I cannot do anything. But my husband and my daughters, they were the pillar of strength behind me. They helped me. So I used to import artificial flowers in 2001. In India, nobody had that thing. From Dubai, Spain and all, I imported those flowers. I started that. Then I used to make bouquets. Kisi ka birthday, they say, please give us a bouquet of 2000. Bana ke artificial ka de diya. I used to do that. In 2005, and I am social since childhood. I have an ability to talk to people, to understand them, to remember their matches. All these qualities are needed in a matchmaker. I think that. Everybody doesn't have those qualities, but I think that. So, what did you tell?
First time you got paid for matchmaking.
Yeah. Then, in 2005, somebody, one of a relative, they said, they were just matching, just aise chalo unke file mein, I will match this girl to that and all. I used to see, I said, wow, this is such an interesting thing, even I have to start. So in 2005, I started. And at that time, I charged a very, very, very minimum fee, ekdam minimum. And first we have to register, in my system it is, we have to register. So it was a minimum fee, and first time when somebody registered, I was so happy, so happy, so happy. Arey wow, I got this amount. Means ek
Yes.
khushi. I'll tell one more thing. in 2005, as I started, within 1 month, one match happened in Indore. Yeah. I was so happy. अरे ये start किया और click भी हो गया एक match. I got more confidence, more happiness and all. But a sad part was that the boys side didn't pay me. What happens? When they say, oh, now it's happened. Now why Seemaji is required? The match has been successful. Now why Seemaji is required? But my dear children, किसी का भी if you eat the money that goes and come back to you, they have to pay. आप सब लोग को एक guidance दे रही हूँ, don't even snatch somebody's 10 rupees also.
Auntie, scope कितने आगे? Like now she is college cupid ना. If she wants to get into matchmaking and become a matchmaker in future, are there chances? Is the market open to have more matchmakers?
Yes. 60%, 70% are arranged marriages. And after my show, they say ki now my children are saying we want to do arranged marriage because lot of advantages are there in arranged marriage. Love marriage 30% hai. I'm not telling that because it depends on people to people. It depends on personality to personality.
So if you want to get into matchmaking as a career, there is scope.
You can do it.
I'll come to you for advice.
Yeah, surely I'll help you because you are interested and you have those qualities, so you can be.
Hello, Auntie. I want to understand your view about what is feminism according to you.
What is?
Feminism according to you.
Can you little elaborate the meaning of that means what? Feminism means what you're thinking that I can
Okay,
explain.
for me, feminism is something about equal rights and opportunities, not differentiating a man and a female on the basis of their sex. So, what do you think about what feminism according to you is?
Actually, there should not be any difference, and at this age, 2000, era of 2000, there will be no difference. Nobody will like the difference. We all are equal. Men and women, all are equal actually. That difference was during our time, 60s, 70s to 2000. There was a lot of difference. We used to think secondary always. Oh, she's a lady. She cannot do anything. In my in-laws' house or anywhere, oh, she's a girl. We have a little one step down. Gents are a little high. But now girls, where ladies have gone. I think more than, gents, we have crossed the ladder where we are doing everything everywhere. So there is not any difference now. And if difference is there, हम लोग खा जाएंगे उनको. How the difference is there? We are a Devi ka roop and we are very strong. So nobody can make us a step low. That's the thing.
A follow-up question to whatever I asked. Imagine if Seema was a male in the industry which you are right now. Do you think you got paid a little bit more of what you're getting paid right now for each matches?
No, they are equal actually. But I'm a mother. And I think like my son and daughter and I work. This is not purely a commercial thing what I'm doing. It is attached with the emotions. So yeah, I think ye mera bachcha hai, this is my girl, this is my boy and I work for them. And what male do, they are just commercial. They don't say anything. Chalo, paisa mila and give it. Chalo, give the details and all. I personally go to the house. I see the way of living. I have food in their house to see how they are serving, what food they are cooking, what is the standard of living. I scan, I filter, I see their likes, dislikes, and then I work.
आपको Netflix opportunity कैसा मिला था? और how was your experience when you what was your reaction rather जब आपको ये opportunity मिली थी? How did it happen?
Good. In 2010, Smriti Mundra is a director from Los Angeles. Her father also was a film director. Jagmohan Mundra, now he is no more. So she has done the course and she came to my house for her match with her father. And when she saw I'm talking, this client, arey, ye biodata bhej do, aisa vaisa. Then she thought, I must make a documentary on Seema Didi. So she started working. 4 years she was in my house with the camera. 4 years, such a big thing. Then she made a documentary. What you all have to see, it's a suitable girl. It's on YouTube now. Sab log dekhega, it's on 90 minutes. It's a reality show and the story of me and my daughter. And when my daughter got married in 2014, the documentary completed. Then in Tribeca Film Festival, it got a best movie, best documentary.
It won awards also, yes.
Award in New York. That was in 2017. You all must watch that. It's very good. How a girl grows in India and how she goes for the marriage. My daughter is there in that, elder daughter. Everybody should watch that. A Suitable Girl on YouTube.
It's on Amazon also.
Yeah, Amazon maybe?
Amazon
okay,
maybe.
Okay. Then after that, in 2017, they pitched the idea to Netflix. At that time, nobody had Netflix in India. After my show, people took Netflix. Nobody had Netflix in India. They pitched the idea that we have to make this. Arranged marriage is not there anywhere in the world except Pakistan, Afghanistan and India. कहीं भी world में नहीं arranged marriage. So Netflix said yes, by taking Seema Taparia, we can make this. It's a totally reality show. When you watch, I don't have any dialogue in the show. कि ये scripted है. चलो ये बोलो. Whatever it's coming, how I'm talking, whatever it's coming bus in the show. People loved my honesty. That she's so down to earth, she's honest. Nothing jhoota, sacha, nothing. Everything was honest in the show. And the show was amazing and it is a reality show and one of its kind. The show was one of its kind. I am very proud of my Indian culture. So my Indian culture has gone in the world had loved it. Everywhere, every non-Indian is watching the show. जैसे ओ ऐसा होता है आपके Indian values, Indian culture, arranged marriages, every non-Indian in the world is watching the show. So the show has gone viral in 190 countries. And overnight, Seema Taparia became world icon and famous overnight.
So, I want to give a compliment. You are iconic at the same time, very cute, no? The way you're talking, na auntie, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सुनने में.
And I give all Yale, Stanford, Cornell, Northwestern, Emory, Georgetown, all these universities have invited me. And just last month, I went to Oxford, Cambridge, Warwick, Manchester, King's College, LSE.
Oh my God.
Everywhere they have called me. Yes, you go on YouTube and you see. I have sung 2 songs. They have gone viral throughout the world.
It's our honor to have you here, auntie. Auntie, so I have a game for you. Distribute कर दो. So this is called red flag and green flag. ये आप पहले भी खेले थे. लेकिन इस वाले में ना मूवी से कैरेक्टर्स दिखाऊंगी. आपको बोलना है ये कैरेक्टर रेड फ्लैग है या ग्रीन फ्लैग है. कार्तिक फ्रॉम शहजादा. आपने देखा आंटी मूवी ये?
नहीं.
Yeah, you guys have anything?
Double दिखा रहे सर.
Okay. Kabir Singh from Kabir Singh.
Kabir Singh from?
Kabir Singh. Kabir is red flag. You say Kabir is green flag, Okay.
Mixed opinion, sir.
रहना है तेरे दिल में, मैडी. Green flag or red flag? Okay. Full green everybody gave. तेरे नाम. राधे from तेरे नाम is red flag, ठीक है. Shashi from English to English, Sridevi.
अरे वाह. Green, beautiful picture.
Yes. Farhan from 3 Idiots. Is he red flag or green flag? Green flag. Super. Auntie, this game is done. Thank you guys. You can put those cards down. Next question.
Hi, ma'am. So basically, we saw that you, how do you manage your professional life and your personal life?
Good question. See, everybody has to manage their professional and personal life. I also do same thing. Actually, we are working, but our individual life is also we have to balance. It's very, very important. I travel, I manage many clubs, I give full time to my family. I go so many places, I do so much of puja, havan, that, this, everything. And I see my children, my husband, I throw parties. And wherever somebody is stuck, they come to Seema Taparia and I do their work. Because I feel so happy, I have done something for them that way. So I do everywhere, I discuss with my family, I travel. Myself and my husband are globetrotters. I travel so much throughout the world. For that, everybody should manage both the things. ऐसा नहीं कि अरे I'm going to office, I will not manage anything. You have to manage both the things. That's the beauty of life.
तो आपको अभी आपका इंडियन मैच मेकिंग हुआ, आपके सारे अकम्पलिशमेंट्स हैं एंड आपने इतना फेम गेन किया उसमें से. फेम के साथ नेगेटिविटी भी आता है. तो आपके बारे में ऐसा कोई मिसकंसेप्शन या कोई गलत अंडरस्टैंड फहमी है आपके बारे में जो आपको करेक्ट करना है या आपने एक्सेप्ट करके मूव ऑन कर दिया है, बहुत पहले की बात है अब, ऐसा कुछ है क्या कि यू वांट टू टॉक अबाउट दैट?
You have seen me. anything is there that चलो ये सेलिब्रिटी है तो चलो इसको ऐसा हो गया. You have seen me, I think just अभी देखा है, बाकी और सबको पूछ सकते हैं वर्ल्ड में सब जगह. The way I am, the way I am. If we keep थोड़ा भी अपने रखते हैं तो ईगो भगवान एक झटके में नीचे गिरा देगा. What I am, they say, अरे आप लगते ही नहीं आप सेलिब्रिटी हो. अरे क्या सेलिब्रिटी मीन्स यू आर गेटिंग स्पेशल टू हॉर्न्स क्या? सेलिब्रिटी इज लाइक नॉर्मल पीपल. एंड इफ आई कीप दैट घमंड इगोइज्म एवरीथिंग, भगवान एक झटके में गिरा देगा. तो मेरे ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. बट ड्यूरिंग द शो टाइम, जब मेरा शो आया, यू सी नेगेटिव एंड पॉजिटिव बोथ आर पब्लिसिटी. तो people can write anything on the Instagram. What is this? What she thinks of herself? ये मैच मेकिंग करती है, ऐसा कभी होता है क्या? Because the Gen Z didn't like it. कि ऐसा होना चाहिए. तो लिखते रहे वो Instagram में. But that also was a publicity for me. Negative and positive both are publicity. You have to be thick skin. You have to not cry also. अरे ये मेरे बारे में ऐसा लिख दिया. You have full right to write. इसमें क्या हुआ? 80% loved the show, तो 20% wrote very very negative. तो you must not bother for that.
So
we have to improve कि भाई चलो लिखा बोला है तो बोलने दो.
तो आप बोल रहे हैं हमारा like this is an advice that you're giving to Gen Z is let live. कि कोई भी नेगेटिविटी आए उसको एक्सेप्ट करके मूव ऑन करो.
ऐसे करेंगे तभी होगा ना. और सेलिब्रिटी को दुखी होके बैठ जाए, अरे शी रोट लाइक दिस फॉर अबाउट मी, व्हाट टू डू. कितने मीम्स बने मेरे ऊपर. आई वाज सो हैप्पी. फर्स्ट टाइम 150 मीम्स ऑन एनी शो. मीन्स पीपल हैव सीन सो माइन्यूटली, दे हैव सीन द शो. आई वॉज सो हैप्पी. अरे वाह, मेरे बारे में ऐसा कर रहे हैं, ऐसा कर. आई वॉज हैप्पी, मज़ा आ रहा था. तो नेगेटिव वे इट वाज नॉट माइंड. अब किसी ने 3 साल पहले कोई इंटरव्यू लिया था. व्हेन माय शो रिलीज ना, समबडी टुक अ इंटरव्यू कि आप मुस्लिम्स के लिए करते हो क्या मैच मेकिंग. आई डिडंट स्टार्ट बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव ऑप्शंस. तो 3 साल पहले आई हैड स्पोक इन सम इंटरव्यू. तो किसी ने 3 साल का इंटरव्यू ला के लास्ट मंथ डाल दिया. सीमा आंटी तो ऐसा बोलती है कि शी इज नॉट डूइंग फॉर सच एंड सच कल्चर. वो पहले का पुराना इंटरव्यू. जब आई सेड भाई आई कैन नॉट डू इट. सब जगह हो गया, एवरी मीडिया में सब जगह हो गया तो हो गया. पब्लिसिटी आ गई ना, लोग वापस याद कर रहे हैं सीमा आंटी को. पब्लिसिटी हो गई है मेरे लिए. सो यू मस्ट नॉट बॉदर एट ऑल. बी अ थिक स्किन.
A lovely perspective, auntie. Negative or positive publicity is publicity. That is coming from you.
Positive and negative are publicity.
Auntie, Deepika Padukone also told that she's binge watching your show.
I have put somewhere that clip I had put.
Yeah.
I forgot in my Insta also it's there. What you're seeing, what you're doing, binge matching. So she wrote Indian matchmaking.
Yeah.
I'm binge watching.
Hi ma'am, how did you convince your family in the 90s time, which where matchmaking was only for the men job, right? It's a man's job to do all these things. So how did you convince your family when you told like you have a bigger family over there and your father was a figure over there? So how did you convince your father as well as your whole family
To do
regarding
this work?
Yeah, to do this work.
My husband is a pillar of strength behind me. My daughters and my husband. So always he's with me when we go to abroad for Ivy Leagues and all. He's always helping me. He's stood a pillar of strength. Even my daughters have not come, but they have helped me so much to move forward. So always I used to tell in the billboards also, I used to see one day I will come in a billboard. Now Tanishq is calling me for the jewelry brands.
Wow.
I do lots and lots of brand endorsements. You must watch on my Insta, Seema Tapare Official, spelling is SIMA. You see what I'm doing. Just I did Ponds, and 1 month before I did L'Oreal. I did with Rishi, Ranbir Kapoor, that Asian Paints, Burger King, Pepsi. I do every week I do one brand. And always I'm dreaming that I should come on the billboard. I said, if I tell my sasural people, my in-laws, I want to come on the billboard, they will get shocked. How can she come, a Marwari lady, on a billboard? But that was my dream. But my husband has helped for that. That every day some of the other brand endorsements come, and I do all his help.
Uncle is here also.
And uncle is here.
Even now when you're telling this, uncle is cutely capturing in his phone, making memories.
So he has come here with me. He doesn't have any work, but for the support he has come with me. That we are doing it this so for the support.
Auntie, can you do this? Sani, can you show how to do that? Yeah.
Both the hand or one hand?
One. Like this.
Like this, I choose this way?
Yes, Auntie. You're giving us that.
Which is the camera? I don't know. Oh, this way?
Yeah. Thank you, Auntie. Next question.
हाय आंटी, आपको बहुत सारे क्लाइंट्स आते हैं ना. वन डिमांड बाय योर क्लाइंट जो सुन के आपका दिमाग खराब हो गया.
खराब तो सबका पूरा ही होता है मेरे तो ऑलवेज, बिकॉज दे कम विद सच अ बिग लिस्ट. बट आई टोल्ड एवरीबडी, नाउ इवन द यंगस्टर्स अंडरस्टैंड. सीमा आंटी ने बोला है 100% यू विल नॉट गेट. 60% मिलेगा, यू मूव अहेड. 100% नोबडी हैज गॉन. कोई को मिला नहीं है 100%. तो I get each, see, they come with the criteria. I have to complete their criteria. Seema auntie, I want this, I want height, I want studies, I want good looking, I want this, I want that it should compatibility. So many demands are there, but everything cannot be fulfilled. It's not easy because nobody has got everything. But my job is to fulfill at least 60-70. नहीं तो why will they come to me? कोई list लेके आया कि सीमा आंटी, I want to do this. So it is a challenge for me for each and every match, but I have to fulfill that. And one demand what you told was really out of the world, means it was impossible and I made it possible. That's the beauty. Once somebody from Chennai,
Yeah.
that lady said, I want a daughter-in-law of this height. The hair should be of this size. The body figure should be of this size.
Oh my God.
And she should be very fair. In India, अपना fair culture कुछ ज़्यादा है. Please don't mind for that. But it is on person to person. So we cannot comment. It's their ideas. They want a fair bow. It was so difficult, but I did that thing successfully. I gave them that.
Hi, Auntie. As you said, now you're famous in 190 countries. So, does this fame ever affected your business? And while filming, did you ever thought that India is still narrow-minded?
Why narrow-minded?
Like following the old methods to do arranged marriages and all. Did you ever thought that?
It's not this one. This thing is coming thousands of years से आ रहा है. कुछ तो importance होगा इसमें arranged marriage में. And it's, I always prefer that arranged marriage में support system रहता है two families का. And what you go on this app and all, there is nothing, because there is no eye contact. There is no Cupid, और बीच में कोई है नहीं उनके match. Solid somebody should be na in the middle. They are not there. So I prefer arranged marriage. Yeah.
Auntie, so I have a game for you called Princess Treatment or Bare Minimum. मैं आपको बोलूँ, मतलब I'll give you some titles. ये Princess Treatment है या Bare Minimum है, आपको बताना होगा. Consistent effort. किसी को consistent effort दिखाना, is it Bare Minimum or Princess Treatment?
Bare minimum.
Okay. Emotional availability and communication.
Princess.
Huh? Okay. Respecting boundaries.
Bare.
Sharing mental load. Planning, decision making में help करना एक दूसरे का, ये bare minimum है या princess treatment है?
Bare.
Okay. Deep emotional understanding.
Bare.
Okay. Loyalty.
Bare.
Equal partnership. Financial and emotional में equally partner होना.
Bare.
Supporting partners' career and independence. Is it bare minimum or princess treatment?
Bare.
Basic effort like dates, remembering important dates, taking out their girlfriend, boyfriend for dates. Is this princess treatment or bare minimum?
Bare.
Okay. Making partner feel prioritized without being asked. बिना पूछे, giving the attention and love.
Princess.
Princess treatment? आनी आप सब okay. Yeah, public appreciation. सबके सामने अच्छे वर्ड से बुलाना, appreciate करना, ये princess treatment है या bare minimum? Princess treatment. Okay.
Hello, ma'am. So
Hello.
my question for you is, since the matchmaking is going on for so many years, do you think Gen Z is more self-aware about their demands, or they are more confused compared to the previous generations?
They are confused.
If we are confused, my follow-up question would be like, what are we doing better in compared to the previous? If we are still confused, there are some areas that we can work on or fix on.
See,
what would that be?
The youths, they are earning, they have a different sense, they don't want to listen to anybody. That's the beauty. And during our times, we didn't have an individual thing, we didn't have. We didn't have finance. आजकल के youth, they are working, finance है, अपना thinking है. They want to listen what they are thinking, that's all. They don't want to listen to elders. That's the thing. So you have to change that. Because elders also, they are guiding us properly. So we have to listen to them. That's the thing. So ये changes करना चाहिए कि ठीक है, even they are understanding. And one thing I always tell everybody, even the youths, तो first, adjustment very important in life. आप लोग एडजस्टमेंट करते हो कि नहीं, कॉलेज में, ऑफिस में, या जो भी है, वेर एवर यू आर वर्किंग, फ्लेक्सिबल होना इज टू इम्पॉर्टेंट. हैव पेशेंस इज टू इम्पॉर्टेंट. ड्यूरिंग आवर टाइम वी हैड लॉट ऑफ पेशेंस. अभी आप लोगों में पेशेंस नहीं है. वाई शुड कॉम्प्रोमाइज इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वाई शुड वी कॉम्प्रोमाइज? वाई शुड वी एडजस्ट? वी आर अर्निंग, we are independent. Why should we do that? This is not the way. If you don't adjust, have patience, flexible, compromise, then your life will be smooth. अगर ये सब चीजें आप करोगे तो life will be smooth. If not, you will suffer then. You करके देख लो आप adjust मत करो, compromise मत करो, flexible मत रहो, patience मत रखो, have trust in your partner. Give space to the partner. अभी नहीं, when you get married, give space to the partner. अगर आप ये नहीं करोगे तो you will have a problem. I'll give an example. When you are going flying, when the flight is late for 2-3 hours, what do you do at the airport? बताइए, आप लोग आंसर करो. और
adjust.
स्क्रब करते हो ना? Or you run and tell the pilot, come on, जल्दी, we want to go. चुपचाप बैठते हो कि नहीं आप? लैपटॉप पे कॉफी पी रहे हो, मैगजीन घूम रहे हो, because you're having patience at that time. Then you must have patience in your own life also. That's the beauty. आप ऑफिस में कहीं उधर जाते हो, चलो you are late, the meeting late हो रही है, चुपचाप patience रखते हो कि नहीं आप? So we have to do in our personal life, in our family life also.
Both the sides से अगर हो जाएगा तो मजा आएगा.
बहुत कोई रखना है ना, ऐसा थोड़ी है मेल एंड फीमेल बोथ विल डू इट. थोड़ी है कि भाई मेल को ही करना है फीमेल को करना. You both have to adjust, compromise and all.
Right now our generation, like right now we're not interested in marriage, but we're slightly inclined into live-in relationships and think. So do you think it's kind of affecting your business, and how do you see where it's going?
I always feel that live-in relationship is not a proper thing. That's my experience and thinking. And why will it affect my relationship, business? Because जिसको शादी करना है वो तो आएगा ही मेरे पास. जिसको लिव इन में रहना है रहो, बट दैट इज नॉट अ प्रॉपर वे ऑफ लिविंग. आई डोंट बिलीव इन दैट. जिसको लव मैरिज करना है वो करेगा. एंड दोज हु वांट टू डू अरेंज मैरिज कम टू मी. आई कैन नॉट फोर्स एनीबडी. अरे तू क्यों लिव इन में है, व्हाई यू वांट टू डू लव मैरिज? अरेंज करना है, कम. बट दिस एप्स एंड ऑल दिस आर नॉट प्रॉपर बिकॉज नोबडी इज हैप्पी विद दैट. द राइट पर्सन यू आर नॉट गेटिंग. There is no eye contact. कुछ का कुछ उल्टा पुल्टा you are getting the biodata. And also nobody is happy. Now I am shooting a new show. 2 episodes are complete. In that, youngsters, Gen Zs and all, they are pareshan with that apps. So they come on the stage, they match themselves. That is the beauty. We are shooting that, and we will very soon you will see on any of the OTT platform. Like you all 30 have come. आप अपने आप को मैच करोगे वहाँ पे, मैच करके जाओगे घर. That's the beauty. We are doing a new show now.
Super. Aunty, did you ever reject any clients?
In what sense?
मतलब आपको अच्छा नहीं लगा, उनका क्राइटेरिया थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया या उनका डिमांड थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, so you were like कि चलो ना करने से it's better not to do it.
Yeah. What happened? They come with so much of faith and so much of क्या उम्मीद, what you call, कि भाई हमको we have to go to Seema Taparia, she will help us. So I cannot tell no, because seeing their emotions, this all is based on emotion. Matchmaking is totally based on emotions. And I think like my son and daughter, I cannot tell no. But I don't know in my this career, 1 or 2, I think I have told no, कि भाई I cannot do it because I cannot help you, I don't have options, or it is difficult case. But they say, नहीं सीमा जी, you start at least, नहीं हुआ तो नहीं हुआ. They tell that also. Then I see that they are much in need for this matchmaking. Then I take the case. But I have refused 1 or 2 कि भाई I cannot do it. How can I झूठ मूठ I can tell no, I will do it. I cannot tell lie to anybody. It's not my way of working. So 1 or twice I have refused.
Can you tell, if you remember, can you share the reason, Aunty?
Somebody in US, she has some eye ka very big problem.
Okay.
So I refused कि भाई I cannot help, because wherever I will show this, the friend party will refuse. So like that way I refused. and one more is there, I forgot what you call type 1 diabetes was there.
Okay.
So I refused कि भाई it's not easy then.
हाय सीमा आंटी
Hi.
बहुत सुंदर दिख रहे हो आज
Thank you.
मतलब हमेशा दिखते हो तो मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि लाइक 3 क्राइटेरियाज जो आप अगर ये नहीं होता तो अच्छा रहता
कौन सा 3 criteria नहीं होता
मतलब
था?
किसी को चूज कर रहे हैं पार्टनर को तो 3 क्राइटेरियाज अगर ये ना होते तो अच्छा रहता मतलब आप देखने
I cannot tell anybody ना.
आपके तरफ से ऐसे कौन से 3 क्राइटेरियाज है जो अगर हटा दे वो इजी रहेगा? जैसे हाइट हटा दो, पैसा का बात हटा दो, कौन सा ऐसा 3 क्राइटेरिया है जो?
I tell my clients, are you marrying with the height? No. Height सीमा आंटी 1 inch छोटी है, 1 inch बड़ा है, जो भी है. I say you marry with the place or the family and the boy. अरे we don't want some example छोटा जगह की girl or the girl doesn't want to go to a small place, very small place somewhere. So I say whether you're marrying with the family and boy or with the height. These two are not important. The girl or the boy should be honest, good natured, that is important. Money is not important. And beauty is 1/10 of an inch. Don't go on beauty, beauty, beauty. Beauty पे चले गए and he's not good looking, good natured or good thoughts or good कुछ, तो then what is the way, beauty का मतलब क्या है? That's the thing.
Hi, Auntie.
Hi.
Before you said adjustment is must in marriage, right?
Everywhere, not marriage,
Yeah,
everywhere.
but sometimes when adjustment is like too stressful or overwhelming, it leads to divorce in many marriages, right?
Yeah. आप एडजस्ट ही नहीं करोगे कोई चीज में तो यू विल गेट फाइट्स, यू विल गेट डिफरेंसेस, यू विल गेट मेनी थिंग्स.
No, if adjustment, you're saying adjustment is must.
मस्ट बोल तो तू मत कर, तू देख ले क्या होता है, ऐसा बोल रही हूँ मैं. थोड़ा एडजस्टमेंट करना पड़ता है ना. इफ ही इज लेट, योर पार्टनर हस्बैंड जो भी बोलो, थोड़ा एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा. इफ ही डजंट लाइक दैट फूड, यू लाइक दैट फूड, थोड़ा एडजस्ट करना पड़ता है उसमें. इट्स नॉट अ बैड थिंग नॉट टू एडजस्ट. Now myself and my husband, we are north and south. Bolo. He likes fruits and salads. I like South Indian idli and all those things. Means we are east and west or north or south. हम लोग कर रहे हैं adjust.
But sometimes it gets very stressful.
Stressful क्यों रहेगा तू बता मुझे.
When the adjustment is, it gets too much. Like I have to adjust for
Too
every
much
single
है
thing
तब
you
तो
say.
it is a thinking between the partners कि कितना adjustment करना है. That way. Then it gets stressful what you're telling. It's between the 2%. चलो भाई थोड़ा बहुत adjust हो गया. Even he is adjusting, even she is adjusting. Then it doesn't get stressful then. एक जना will go on adjusting, then you'll have a problem.
Hi Seema aunty.
Hi.
So can we see season 4 in Netflix of your Great Indian Culture?
Actually, Netflix has signed only, I have signed Netflix for only 3 seasons. And now we are doing other show. Mine was Netflix LA, not India. This show is made by Netflix LA. So now we are doing other show in India that you will see very soon. Very nice show it is there. On Netflix only it will come, I think so.
So you are from Karnataka, right? So you know Kannada how to speak.
Yeah. Kannada ಬರುತ್ತದೆ but ಚಲೋ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Because we had one subject in school. वो 35 marks के लिए only we have to study that. But many grammatical mistakes are there, so I'm not talking. I know few, but I can understand. I can read, I can write fully. But थोड़ा बोलने में it's little grammatical mistakes are there.
So like as a fan of Seema aunty, so you want to see an equal gender matchmaking like LGBTQ people. So if that's possible for you.
No, I don't do that. Yeah. In the future we can see, but right now I'm not doing it.
आपने मना किया. You've said no. Why do you think you won't be able to do it right now?
I don't have time actually.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
हाय आंटी.
Hello.
So आप अपने क्लाइंट्स को कैसे हैंडल करते हैं? Who refuse to listen the parent words?
Who refuse to?
Listen their parents words. Parent.
जो पेरेंट्स का बात नहीं सुनने वाले हैं ना बच्चे, उनको कैसे हैंडल करते हैं आप?
कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
Why?
It is their headache. Okay. They are grown up. I told you ना youth का क्या हालत है. They are earning. They are staying in independent thinking है. They don't want to listen to their parents. Or they cannot do anything. It's their headache. उनका सोच है what can we do?
हेलो आंटी. सो मेरा ये क्वेश्चन है, आपने कभी एक क्लाइंट को देखा और बस मन में सोच लिया कि बेटा जी रिश्ते में खराब नहीं है, बस आप ठीक नहीं हो? कभी ऐसा सोचा एक क्लाइंट के बारे में आपने? जी
रिश्ते में
रिश्ते में कुछ खराब नहीं है, बस आपका दिमाग ठीक नहीं है.
होता है ऐसा. इट हैपेंस. एवरीथिंग इज गुड. अरे दोनों इतना अच्छा है बट वो लड़के को कुछ और चाहिए. बोला नहीं, आई डेंट लाइक इट. वन पर्सन केम फ्रॉम अ वेरी वेरी रिच फैमिली. ही इज ऑलरेडी 35. ही हैज सीन सो मेनी गर्ल्स. अभी और एक अच्छी लड़की दिखाई में तो बोलते नहीं नहीं, आई डेंट लाइक इट. व्हाट कैन वी डू नाउ? उसका खोपड़ी वैसा है तो व्हाट कैन.
आंटी, और आप इतना मेहनत करने के बाद कभी कभी व्हेन द मैरिज ब्रेक्स, आपको कैसे लगता है आफ्टर ऑल द ट्रबल यू गो थ्रू?
अभी तक तो in my 25 years of career only one marriage got little this thing because it was between them that they didn't adjust it, and these values if you all don't follow then the marriage will break. वो तो हो गई. What will auntie do in that? है कि नहीं? आप लोग सोच समझ के शादी करोगे सब लोग. इफ तुम दोनों में थोड़ा ईगो आ गया, ईगो प्रॉब्लम भी बहुत चलता है, ईगो आ गया, व्हाट विल यू डू? आंटी कैन नॉट हेल्प इन दैट.
गॉट इट. एंड अभी टाइम चेंज हो गया है जब से आप स्टार्ट किए थे, अभी अगर देखेंगे तो. सो व्हाट इज़ द राइट टाइम अकॉर्डिंग टू टुडेज डे एंड एज? आप सजेस्ट करेंगे कि लड़की को ये टाइम पे मैचेस ढूंढना शुरू करना है और लड़कियों को ये टाइम, लड़का को ये टाइम पे
ढूंढना शुरू करेंगे, बट हु इज गोइंग टू लिसन टू आंटी? दैट्स द थिंग ना. हमें तो बोल दूंगी 24-25 में करो, बट नोबडी इज गोइंग टू लिसन टू मी.
So you will say 25.
27, 28 that way, because girls and boys they want to set, they want to study. अपने बोलते ना पैरों पे खड़े होना है and all that thing. So 27, 28 is right.
Got it.
आपके टाइम में 1980s में नेटवर्किंग या मैच मेकिंग कैसा हुआ करता था? अभी बहुत अलग है. आपके टाइम में कैसा हुआ करता था?
हाँ, at that time कोई ना कोई फैमिली वाला बताता था. Now nobody wants to interfere. So now comes the role of a matchmaker.
जैसे
बोलते हैं ना जोड़ियां तो आकाश में बनी है ऊपर से, बट धरती पे यू नीड अ मैच मेकर. जब आपस में काका मामा एनीबडी यूज्ड टू टेल. नाउ नोबडी नोज किसका बच्चा कौन है क्या नहीं. नोबडी नोज दैट. एट दैट टाइम द थिंग्स वर डिफरेंट. अभी मालूम नहीं, बोलते भाई कैसा, if कोई इंक्वायरी लेते ना, उनको तो जानते भाई, उनके बच्चे को नहीं जानते, बिकॉज वी आर नेवर सीन देम. ऐसा होता है ये चीज़. देन द मैच मेकर कम्स.
अच्छा ठीक है. एक फाइनल क्वेश्चन था कि आप महीने में कितना कमाते हैं अप्रॉक्स? आपका सैलरी क्या है?
ये कोई बताएगा क्या? कोई भी बताएगा? इसको पूछे बताएगी क्या?
ಆಂಟಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಕನ್ನಡ ಹೀರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
ಯಾವ ಯಾವ क्या
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೇವ್ರೆಟ್ ಹೀರೋ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಒಂದು?
इन कन्नड़ाದಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
अरे बाबा, मैं कन्नड़ा पिक्चर ही बंद कर दी देखना. कितने साल हो गए. आई हैव गॉन 40 years आई एम देयर इन मुंबई ना. यू टेल हिंदी, यू टेल दैट, आई कैन टेल. कन्नड़ा मेरे को याद नहीं. राजकुमार याद था उस समय, दैट्स ऑल. एंड विष्णुवर्धना था ना. हाँ, ही वाज माय फेवरेट. या
नाउ फाइनल गेम आंटी. इसको हम बोलेंगे स्टूडेंट्स स्वयंवरम. एंड दे आर 3 स्टूडेंट्स आंटी इधर. वो लोग अभी इधर आगे आएंगे और दे विल शेयर देयर बायोडेटा विथ यू. बस बायोडेटा बताएंगे और आपको गेस करना होगा कि इनका क्राइटेरिया क्या होने वाला है.
नहीं, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. बायोडेटा से कैसे क्राइटेरिया मालूम पड़ेगा?
लेट्स से अभी ये बंदा है, ये बोलेगा अपने बारे में कि
हाँ.
मैं ये पढ़ रहा हूँ, नहीं तो ये आई वांट टू वर्क इन दिस एंड एक्सेट्रा.
तो अपना
आपको
criteria
गेस
खुद
करना होगा कि इसका गर्लफ्रेंड या वाइफ जो आने वाली है, इसको कैसे वाइफ पसंद होगी. आपको ये बताना होगा. एक या 2 चीज में बता दीजिए,
बता
चलेगा.
दीजिए.
हु आर द 3 पीपल? आ जाइए, आप आगे आ जाइए.
Hi ma'am, one second. I'm Kirtana. I'm 21 years. I want to be an event manager.
Yes,
no,
कीजिए,
your
चलो.
partner should give space to you. That's important. Because event management में रात को 2 भी बजेगा, सुबह 5 बजे भी भागेगी तू. So he should give space कि भाई चलो तेरे को जो पसंद है तू कर सकता.
आई एम प्रहर्षिनी. मैं 2nd ईयर में पढ़ रही हूँ अभी. एंड मुझे 3 साल में मेरा एजुकेशन कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. एंड मुझे बहुत पैसा कमाना है. एंड आई वांट टू बी अ स्पोर्ट्स मैनेजर. सो मुझे बहुत बोलना पसंद है, घूमना पसंद है, खाना पसंद है. कुछ भी करती हूँ उसे ज़्यादा करना पसंद है.
देख, तेरे को खाना घूमना पसंद है ना, तो हरदम अपोजिट मिलता है पार्टनर. ये बात भी पक्का है. तो तेरा पार्टनर ऐसा रहेगा, उसको खाना पसंद नहीं रहेगा, तेरे को रहेगा उसको ज़्यादा घूमना पसंद नहीं रहेगा.
तो उसको
ऐसा
मैं
मिलता ही
पार्टनर
है.
कैसे बनाऊंगी?
नहीं तो ऐसे ही होता है, थोड़ा एडजस्ट वैसे ही करना पड़ता है.
नहीं मतलब
तो सेम टू सेम वैसा कैसा मिलेगा तेरे को? बता तो.
अगर ऐसा होगा तो मेरा खुद का पार्टनर कैसे बनाऊंगी?
नहीं ना, मजा है क्या? दोनों सेम रहेंगे तो लाइफ में मजा है क्या?
मजा होगा।
नहीं है, थोड़ा डिफरेंस
मुझे
चाहिए
खाना
तो मजा
पसंद है,
है।
अगर उसको खिलाना पसंद
ठीक
तो
है,
अच्छा होगा।
खिलाना पसंद है वो तो शादी के बाद सीख जाएगा खाना खाना।
आंटी तो इसका क्राइटेरिया क्या होगा आंटी? इसको कैसी हस्बैंड चाहिए
इसको
होगा?
पैसे वाला हस्बैंड चाहिए जो इसके, क्योंकि ये पैसे कमाना खुद कमा रही है तो उसको वैसे हस्बैंड चाहिए, और जो इसको स्पेस दे इसके स्पोर्ट्स में और में जाने के लिए, दैट टाइप ऑफ हस्बैंड।
Okay, how
पैसे वाला
is auntie there on the point?
फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज वेरी रेट, मुझे बहुत पैसे वाला चाहिए।
वो तो सबको ही चाहिए। आई एम सैंडी, मैं माड़ू फैमिली से हूँ एंड मेरे फैमिली और मुझे खाना, ट्रैवलिंग करना सब कुछ बहुत पसंद है। वे वेरी चिल एंड मैं बहुत बोलती हूँ, मैं खुद को बहुत एक्सप्रेस करती हूँ, तो मेरे लिए कौन सही रहेगा?
एक्चुअली क्या है कि पार्टनर तेरे को ऐसा चाहिए जो बोले, तेरे को घुमाने लेके जाए, वो सब कुछ है, लेकिन थोड़ा कम भी बोलेगा तो थोड़ा तू ज़्यादा बकबक कर लेना तो हो जाएगा काम पे, बट वैसा एक रहे तो you'll feel, बट सब जगह you will not get that thing। हो सकता है कोई ट्रैवलिंग वाला मिले तेरे को अच्छा जो तेरे नीड्स पूरा करे, या बहुत बातें वाला मिले जो एक आधा पॉइंट यू कैन ग्रैब, बट सब कुछ you will not get that। क्राइटेरिया में इसको यही चाहिए ना, थोड़ा इसको वैसा चाहिए, बोलने वाला, चुलबुला, ट्रैवलिंग करने वाला, इस टाइप का पार्टनर चाहिए। इसको देखते हुए तो वो लग रहा है।
Is it true, Sanji?
आई थिंक सो, या देखेंगे।
Okay.
तो मुझे एक क्वेश्चन है, मुझे देख के आपको क्या लगता है मैं सेम एज गाइस को पसंद करूंगी यार मुझसे मतलब थोड़ा बड़ा लोगों को पसंद?
मैं भगवान तो नहीं हूँ ना।
What a line to end today's Honest Town Hall. Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Seema aunty, for
बच्चास,
coming
love
here.
you. It was wonderful session. बहुत मजा आया मुझे. Hope even you all enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Do subscribe.
Honest Town Hall.